Cannot enter. What? What's that noise? Crawford? Dude, what the hell are you even doing right now?
Making music, man.
Doesn't sound like good shit.
It is good shit, man.
What even is it?
I'm making music. I'm making a masterpiece, man.
Doesn't even sound like a real song. It sounds like something Corey Feldman made up.
I'm better than Corey Feldman. 10 times better. Alright?
Whatever.
Man, he doesn't catch that drift, man. I'm funkier than he is.